Hello and welcome to Black Wall Street 2.0. Today we're embarking on a journey to honor our past and empower our future by supporting Black-owned businesses. Let's begin by reflecting on the legacy of Tulsa, Oklahoma's Black Wall Street. In the early 20th century, the Greenwood District of Tulsa, Oklahoma, was a thriving African-American community, earning the nickname Black Wall Street. Entrepreneurs like O.W. Gurley played a pivotal role in its development by purchasing land and selling it exclusively to Black settlers, fostering a self-sufficient and prosperous community. However, in 1921, this flourishing district faced unimaginable devastation during the Tulsa Race Massacre, where mobs destroyed homes and businesses, resulting in significant loss of life and property. As we stand in 2025, it's crucial for African Americans to harness the power of our collective economic strength. By intentionally choosing to purchase from Black-owned businesses, we not only honor the legacy of Black Wall Street, but also invest in the growth and sustainability of our communities. This conscious effort fosters economic empowerment, job creation, and the preservation of our rich cultural heritage. In our commitment to highlighting Black-owned businesses, we're excited to introduce Jessy Ice Cream Shop, a gem located in Round Lake Beach, Illinois.
How's it going? I'm Jason, and I'm the owner and creator of Jessy Ice Cream Company in Round Lake Beach, Illinois. One of my earliest memories is when I was very young. I can't even remember. I was so young, I can't remember what age I was. But I just remember my grandmother being home. And on a random day, a weekday, like maybe a Tuesday or something, she decided to take me to the ice cream shop to grab ice cream. And it was a beautiful day outside in Chicago, Southside, Illinois. And we went to this local ice cream shop, and I got this gigantic rainbow type cone. And I was so excited. I went outside and licked it. I took the first lick, and I licked it, and it fell over. And I was devastated. Being a young boy, I just remember being devastated. And my grandmother told me, don't worry about it, let's go back in and get you another one. And then it was a guy behind the counter, an older gentleman, and he made me the exact same cone, and he gave it to me for free. And it just really left an impression. I remember that guy. That guy is one of my earliest memories I've ever had. So it just shows you the power of kindness, customer service, and the ability to have an impact on somebody's life. I'm super excited to have Jessy here in Round Lake Beach. My background is education. My background is ice cream and sales. And so I just love being a part of the community. I love being around families and friends and softball games and 4th of July, fireworks and all of that stuff. And so I want Jessy to be a part of the community where people make it a tradition to spend their special moments here with me in my ice cream shop.
At Black Wall Street 2.0, we're dedicated to showcasing Black-owned businesses like Jessy Ice Cream Shop. By supporting these enterprises, we contribute to the economic vitality of our communities and ensure that the spirit of Black Wall Street thrives in today's world. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more inspiring stories and business highlights. Together, let's build a legacy of empowerment and success. For more information on Jessy Ice Cream Shop, visit their official website, www.scoopjessyamaze.com. Stay tuned for our Black-on-Wed businesses videos and where to shop. Let's keep our dollars in our communities. And go to www.thinkgreenwoodnow.com to sign a petition for our cultural lives.